are socialized like broilers. Political broilers, economic broilers, social broilers, even religious broilers. They want to get things the soft style. Press a button and things work out. They are in their comfort zone. They can hardly survive. I've seen some of these youth, maama, and usually it's a maama, drops them to school and carries their school bag. Mama, you have to train tough people who will live beyond you, who will be able to address every situation. We are pampering the youth too much. And my message to the youth is, of course some dad is pampered, but not me. Not me. I'll take my children in the gardens to sweat, to get dirty. And they say, Papa, this is tough. I said, yes. I was a hard boy at age 7. And I look back and say, wait a minute. When I look at a child of 7 years, in the hills, not your farms, I know they are Banyankori here, not your farms which are gazetted with water inside. I would go to the hills to graze 7 years and walk maybe 2 miles to the drinking place. Now, I look back and say, my parents made me tough. I am unstoppable. The youth, I have a message for you. The Swahili have a saying, asiye kuwepo na lake halipo. I know my friend knows Swahili and maybe can translate.
A little bit.
Asiye kuwepo na lake halipo. Who wants to help us translate? Swahili.
Asiyo nini?
Asiye kuwepo na lake halipo.
The one who doesn't participate. Is it? Am I right? Am I in the queue?
I haven't heard properly.
The one who is not.
You are the nitty-gritty. Why? I'm not a member of DP. I'm not a member of NRM. I'm not a member of NUP. I'm not a member of any major political party. I am a member, a citizen of Uganda. But I will be happy if we have strong democratic political parties. Because whoever comes in office must serve all of us. Agreed? Yes, that's why I am interested. This agreement is not set in stone. This agreement can be renegotiated. Already a colleague has alerted us 1 year gone. We have roughly 1 year and a half. And that is a very short time period. So we need to be able to begin now generating ideas for the next edition, should you wish to amend the agreement. Can we generate ideas in time and begin the conversation, the negotiation? So could you please ensure that in your amendments you address things that are matters of priority? Can you also ensure that we have key performance indicators? Because it's one thing to say we want peaceful transfer, that we want to negotiate national dialogue. Come on, in this country we have had dialogues. Have they changed the thing? Have they changed the thing? It's dialogue, okay, but we are saying, can we have key performance indicators? Those of you who go to business schools know this better than I. What will show that we are succeeding or failing? And what will show us what needs to be done differently to ensure that we improve the quality of governance and public service delivery for our citizens? Is there anything coming?
Yes.